All right, here we are on Celebrity Reflection. This is room 8164. This is an interior, category I2. It is an accessible interior cabin, and there are a few of these available, and they're available to anyone if there's some left at the end, and they assign them to you. So if you're not accessible requirements, then you're not supposed to get these cabins, but if they are available at the very end, they will release them to general population. This room is 245 square feet, and compare that to a regular interior cabin, which is 183 square feet. So lots of room in here to move around, and if you can snag one of these cabins if they're available, it's a great interior cabin, same price as a regular interior. Lots of room on each side. There's nightstands, but check out the bathroom. Wow. This is like as big as a suite. So there is plenty of room, no tub. It's got an accessible shower and everything here. It's got the curtain, but it's plenty big for two people. You got your standard storage space. So there is category I2, interior accessible cabin on Celebrity Reflection, now sailing out of Port Canaveral. So please subscribe for more on all Royal Caribbean group ships, including Royal Caribbean and Celebrity. And again, plenty of room to move around. Look how big this cabin is. Highly recommend if you can get an interior accessible. Definitely a good value, lots of storage, lots of room to spread out. So there you go.